Snigdha from 9 a.m. PSA Customer High Secondary School for Girls. My project is about Subway. Subway, cheaper. You save money on personal vehicle repairs, fuel, loan payments, parking fee, insurance, taxes, and licensing. Subway prices are very nominal. Safer. State-of-the-art cameras and chemical sensors are installed in subway for safety. Emergency brakes and evacuation features also ensure passenger safety. Quicker. You avoid the traffic congestions on streets by taking the subway. This ensures that you reach your destination fairly and quickly compared to vehicles and buses. Convenient. Subways have edged over public buses having stops located at prime locations and avoiding any traffic on streets. Sustainable. Subway travel is environmentally friendly as you save fuel used for otherwise multiple cars by passengers. Subway also do not emit harmful fumes into all as they run on electricity. Thank you.